This is a 2011 Mirraco Gambino bike check. Let's start with the handlebars. We got the set local bars, 8.25 rise, 29-inch wide. Then I got animal grips right here. I got animal white wall treds. I got them yesterday. Black label forks, black label rim, pretty shitty. Joyride sticker, pretty sick, I honestly think. Black label stem, DMR, fat seat, big people sticker, chain, black label stock, cranks and sprocket, and then just black label pedals, I guess, pretty shitty. Go down to back rim. I'm actually not really sure. I think it's black label. Yeah, and then the back rim right here. And yeah, that's my 2011 Mirraco Gambino custom BMX bike check.